Hey folks, in this episode we kayak all the way from the Atlantic Ocean to the Gulf of Mexico, which of course in the Keys isn't that far. Come along.
Make sure you click subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.
Our short trip was in Bow Channel. We paddled over to Cudjoe Key and then got chased back to the camp by a storm. We're going to take a look at the Bow Channel Bridge. Bow Channel connects the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic Ocean. We didn't really paddle from one to the other.
Well, they're staying close to shore. What's that? They're staying close to shore. What's that? The blue floaty. Yeah. Yeah, it's something. Well, it got deep here. Okay, here's a view of the beach area at Sugarloaf KOA. Camper is the last one on the left there, which is pretty amazing. I can see the bottom here. It's probably 10 feet deep, but being that I have very little knowledge of the ocean, it's probably deeper than that. Hopefully we actually go somewhere before that weather hits us. You found an iguana?
I found an iguana.
Okay, where is it?
It's still here.
Is it in that little...
It's in this channel.
Okay.
I can't tell. I think it's still here.
Is it big?
Oh, it's a big one. It's also a little chubby.
Big and chubby?
It's still here, Dad.
Okay. Can you...
See him? Right there. Right there.
I can't see him.
Right there,
Oh,
Dad.
there he is.
Like,
Let's see if we get him on the camera. There he is.
his name is Chubby McCubberson.
Chubby Chubberson?
Chubby McCubberson.
Okay. He's probably glad when we leave. Ready? Let's see if we can find some mangroves.
They didn't want to stay.
What?
They didn't want to stay here at the mangroves.
No. There's a whole other set of them under the bridge.
The iguana was on Sugarloaf Key, and the mangroves we were trying to find were near Cudjoe Key. All of us were a little apprehensive about kayaking out here, even with land in sight.
Some summer cottages over there.
Only 20 miles from Key West, Cudjoe Key is a tourism hotspot for water sports like fishing and snorkeling. We didn't really have a great plan for this outing. There is a pet memorial in the mangrove forests off Cudjoe Key that we wanted to see, and we also had this vague idea that we'd paddle to the place called the End of the Road Bridge and jump off of it into the water. But we finally did get a chance to use the kayaks we'd been hauling around.
I'll go with you
No, it's
guys.
going to be impossible. We can't do it.
No, I bet you'd be all right.
Is that kind of... Which one do you want to go?
Yeah, this is cool. Didn't know I'd ever do this. Hey Graham, come over here. I think I'm not going to go in that one.
There's a bunch of scrap metal down here. Mommy, come this way.
The grandmothers are going to be
Let's go swim in the
horrified.
mangrove for us. Can I want to swim a little deep in the mangrove.
Wave to the camera.
Oh wait, Pierce, it's really shallow right here. Yeah. Bigger open water. I just want to hold on.
Yeah, Pierce.
Yeah, this is way easier to get out. No problem. Hi, Natalie. Hi, Pierce. Wait, what? It's a big turn. You saw a turtle? Yeah, he did earlier.
We paddled out. There was a big turtle on the bottom.
Florida being Florida, an afternoon storm was brewing.
Well, there's some rain. Let's see if we can get back before we get wet. That's kind of amazing.
Is that Miami?
Oh, heavens no. We're way far away from Miami. We're 100 miles from Miami.
Oh, it's raining.
We turning around?
Yeah. I hope.
Yeah?
Will they change the...
Okay, all we have to do is keep this to our left and we'll go right back to camp.
What?
Just keep this to your left and you should go right back to camp. Try not to get blown into it.
It was amazing how quickly the wind picked up.
We got caught in the rain. All right, the grandmothers are gonna be happy about us being out here in the rain. It is what it is.
We paddled as fast as we could back towards camp. Bunch of landlubbers.
Is that an ahinga?
The storm lightened up and we were able to see an ahinga.
I totally went right under that one. Well, that was exciting. Huh?
The water got calmer.
Yeah, it did. I wasn't real sure there for a minute. What?
I'm just not strong enough to do it on my own when it was wavy like that.
Uh-huh.
So I kept drifting that way.
I noticed. Graham needs a new paddle.
Are you using his?
Yeah. I kind of want to go under that bridge. There went the bird. There goes another one, right in front of the camera. Perfect. I was. There they go. What are those, ducks?
Aren't those your fingers?
I don't know. Here, what's coming back? What if there's a nest?
Like the little green one?
These two birds do not like us being here. They keep flying around. Wonder if there's a nest there. We shall leave the area. Okay. I was too chicken to go into this earlier. But I'm going to try it now. It'd be a good place to hide a geocache. Okay, that was fun. I'm going back. Oh. Definitely we're fighting the current coming back there. Some boats. And there is another look. Beautiful campground. Boats spinning around here. Take a little break. Amazing. And we're going to pull it in. Oh, there's definitely a drift here.
You can't see it.
Okay. Oh man. Yeah. Thank you.
Hello, Mr. Iguana. I'm gonna hit this tree. That's what Pierce said. Graham, wave to the iguana.
There it is. Big giant iguana.
That's amazing.
Enormous. He looks old.
Is that why you think he's less green?
I don't know.
After seeing yet another iguana, we headed back to the Mangroves off Cudjoe Key to search for the pet memorial paddle.
You can turn around backwards, Dave.
Sideways. But I fixed it.
Locals on Cudjoe Key have been placing memorials to their pets here amongst the mangroves for years. It's a place only the locals know about. Well, them and us.
Oh, both of them are still here. I think they're a mating pair.
This is their home. Where is there another one?
There's another one right above it. I think they're a mating pair.
Oh, there's a baby one. Yeah, there's a small one right up there.
Final analysis? Rent your boats down here. We only went out a few times and we're not sure it was worth it bringing them. We aren't planning to bring them on a long trip again. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we spend some time in Key West, including Fort Zachary Taylor. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video, and comment below.